Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for January 12th. We're going to take a look at the US-Japanese yen pair first. I'm expecting this pair to move as high as 91.07 and as low as 87.77. Now look for some resistance to come in around 89.75 and look for some support to kick in around 88.87. Now this pair of course moved down today and the bias I think is definitely to the downside, while it is moving sideways though overall. If you back out of the chart, you can definitely see that. Now switching over to the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair I'm expecting to move as high as 1.3603 and as low as 1.3153. Look for resistance around 1.3415 and look for support around 1.3287 in this pair. This pair also is moving sideways. It did close down for this session, and the bias is definitely to the downside. Now switching to the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved much lower, much quicker today. I am expecting it though to move possibly as high as 1.5303 and as low as 1.4610. Now look for some resistance around 148.96 and look for support around 147.37. Now if you recall from yesterday, we talked about this pair moving if it broke, because it had an inside bar that was created during Friday's session. If we got a move to the downside and we broke the low, that we could see it moving down to this point and taking about 60 pips or so out of the market. We did do that, and that did move to that point. Now we also talked about a move from this session's low down to this session's high. That's yet to be seen. We did break this low already, but it has pulled back. This would be a good time if it decides to move down again and break it again for a second time, or take out the low that's already been created at this point, and then look for it to move down to this session's high. That's kind of what I'm looking for during this next session. Now looking at the US Swiss, this particular pair I'm expecting to move as high as 1.1335 and as low as 1.0995. Look for some resistance to come in around 112.40 and look for support around 1.0367 in this pair. This pair is moving sideways overall. Bias is to the upside, at least currently. So that's pretty much does it for the charts today. Not really looking for anything else besides looking at the pound. Currently, there's no real news announcements, or no significant, I should say, news announcements for tomorrow. So until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.